that was it for the farm or the wild animals. Now we go to the barnyard exhibit. Let's see what can make it. Okay, the barnyard exhibit is right here. It's a nice design here. Looks like the wheels of old schools. Let's take a look at this. What is this? It's authorized vehicles only, no parking. Okay. I thought that was a picture or a description of what this was. What does it say here? Solitary bee box. Do not disturb this habitat for solitary bees. Okay. Yeah, it looks like some vine of some sort. I don't know if it's grapes or something else. Anyway, let's get back into the farm and see what animals are they still around here. I see some goats at the distance. Can barely see them here. We're gonna get a little bit closer. Relatively. Actually, gonna get very close. Let's see one. Let's see if this well is actually real or it's just probably it's fake. Yeah, it's fake. It's sealed shut. There's nothing in there. But this probably is real. Probably recovered bird somewhere. Somebody's backyard. Is this close? Yeah, it's close shut. It's probably a school or something. Or used to be a school. It's just this bell over there. Or a dining room of sorts. It looks to be something, some sort of bakery, an oven. Either that was an oven and this probably is where they make big food, like. And that's the dining room pretty much, so they cook outside and inside they eat. Don't know what that is. Looks pretty old. Okay, this is where they yeah, these are rolling for sugarcane. This is where they roll sugarcane to take out the juice. This is where the juice comes out, right there. And over there, they just feed the sugar canes, and the juice came out. And this is where they deposit it. They put some sort of vessel to put the sugar cane juice. Oh, donkeys! They're very young donkeys, actually. They're very small. Where do you left Shrek, donkeys? Where's Shrek? And where's Donkey? Are you like his kids? Anyway. There's the goats. There you go. They're fighting. Oh my god. Chill, guys. Oh my god, they're fighting. It's in the middle of a fight. No? No more fight? Good. Uh-oh. Nah, not gonna fight. So some instruments they use to plow the land. As you can, the glare, the cover for the glare. There you go. Plow the land and prepare it for the new harvest of that year. It's a good old tractor here. Still very modern tractor actually. There's some barn for the horses and stuff like that. There you go. Another modern day tractor. Some cards in the back, very old cards. There's a chicken coop in there, and there's a blacksmith. They do auctions here November 23rd. And November 23rd, that's during Thanksgiving week. Gonna be an auction. Let's see what they offer here. Bidding starts at 1. Look at that. Just in case you're here in Georgia, November 23rd, come down here and try your luck and see if you can win one of those blacksmith equipment or blacksmith made decorations, I guess. So that's for you. All the equipment here. It's all iron, old school iron right there. That's really cool. And also it's a good place to bring your family. Absolutely. Come here. You have kids. You don't want to stay indoors. It's a nice day like today. Come over here and see something different. Teach your kids something that used to be working back then. You still can do it if you have plans to own a homestead. You can do all these things on your own time and on your own means. There's a store here, or a mock-up store. There's an old school Coca-Cola freezer chest down there. Those are really expensive, I guess. You try to get them from eBay. There's an old register machine. Yeah, more Coca-Cola products and glasses and all sorts of miscellaneous. Some ham, some mock-up ham, not real ham. Oh, it's also an old school light bulb over there. No, that's not a old school light bulb. It looks like an old school. Anyway, I'm babbling now. Alright, let's see the chickens. Alright, so the chickens are out here. They're chilling. They're indoors because it's cool outside. Wow, it's a lot of glare out here. You cannot see, as you can see from the other side. They're really calm. They're used to the visitors. The chickens, chickies. Alright. Yeah, I used to have chickens back at home. They're probably the first ASMR type of sounds I experienced when I was a kid. Very relaxing going around chickens. There's a thick old hog over here. Oh, poor fellow. What are they eating? Oh, peppers. A lot of peppers thrown around there. Just sleeping, I guess. That's a big old hog. Probably over 150 to 200 pounds easy. And some cows. You already see they have their winter fur coat. Hey, more pigs. They're sleeping. And some gourds. Yeah, it's called gourds. There you go. That's for birds to come in. You can eat the insects. That's a good thing you have birds or any type of animal that likes to eat insects, like spiders, for example. Let them around your crops and they will take care of things. There's some donkeys over there. That's the big donkey over there. Or it's a horse, or a half horse or a donkey. Or a mule, maybe. Oh, the cow is looking at me. Oh, you don't want to look anymore? Okay. Alright, let's see if we can continue. There's a look of the whole barn from a little bit more distance. This is the blacksmith shop. So one in front of the other. Distance the store and the chicken coop on the left, on the right, I'm sorry. Again, the oven and the stove and the dining room, the sugarcane juicing station, and the distance the donkey and the goats and the other animals that you saw earlier. And we're gonna head back to the trail. I'm gonna try to see if I can see the cougar. There's a cougar here, but the map shows it's a cougar, but I couldn't find it. I saw bobcat. That's the only feline I saw. Alright. Catch you later. There's a blue heron. Just flew. As always, I lose track of where it went. They merge very good with the environment. There he is. I saw you. Sorry for all the glare. Trying to take care of that right now. Anyway, let's continue. I'm going a little bit off the trail. There's a small nature trail in addition to the animal exhibition. So we're gonna go for a walk just for old time's sake. I always like to walk in places like this. Catch you later. There's a spider right over there. There you go. I'm trying to cover. I'm not trying to attack you, friend. I'm just trying to make the camera to focus. There it is. It doesn't look big in the camera, but in person, from leg to leg, is probably 2 or 3 inches long. We're gonna do a hike here from the trail. So be careful here, folks. All right, let's continue. You see the coloration now? It's like a yellow color somewhere around there. Yeah, that's the abdomen. That yellow spot you see there is the abdomen. Alright, let's keep going. Take a look at that. That looks like an enchanted pond. I didn't realize how close we were. This is the, let me pull out my map here, Lotus Pond. A little bit legend of a leaf. $10 years ago, 1991. I think it's a good place to stop the video. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and safe travels. Be careful out there, okay? See you guys in the next one. Bye for now.